Hello, everybody. I hope you are having a fantastic day. This is the fantastic Kaiweets ES20 screwdriver, and I did a review about it a couple months ago, and I've been using it ever since, and I love nearly everything about it. But it does have one flaw, and that flaw could be a fatal flaw. That is the fact that it rolls very easily, and in fact, my last one rolled right off the desk and landed right on the switch and broke the switch. And so that's a pretty big concern for me. So I decided that rather than just complain about it, I would fix it. So in Tinkercad, I'm playing around with this copper filament here, but in Tinkercad, I made this little nut for the thing that you can put it down so that your screwdriver will stay where you put it. And I think that's kind of nice. It takes literally 5 minutes to print on my Neptune 3, and you can protect your investment of the screwdriver. And it is an investment. It's a nice piece of equipment. It's a nice tool to have in your shop with a ton of bits that will cover everything. You just don't want it rolling off the desk. So I've got a full review of the screwdriver. I've got a link to the screwdriver in the description. I've got a link to this on Thingiverse, where you can print it yourself in 5 minutes. And so, hey, I just wanted to pop on here real quick and tell you about it, and I hope you have a fantastic day.